Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to fix up a couple of things. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to get the AC compressor off so I can get to the coolant leak that's down there. And then I'll get this guard off and we'll fix up that belt. Actually, I'll do that first. Alright, it's back on. That was very odd. So I jumped over one little rib, but it was like it was still fine because that acted like another little rib, but it was very odd. I don't know why. It didn't go any further. It didn't damage it. Very strange. Alright, so I'll get the compressor off now. These lines aren't connected. Probably saying that there haven't been any bolts in them. So we'll get that off. Alright, so it was a bit pointless doing the belt before because I had to take the alternator off to get the AC off. Just getting these 4 bolts out is impossible with that in there. That's just to take it off the bracket. Anywho, this is ready to come out. We'll find that leak and hopefully fix it. Alright guys, this is the hose that I thought it was. It's not. It's the coolant crossover. There's some coolant sitting down there. There. And I guess on the other side of it. You suck. Okay, so I just got the spanner onto the closest bolt here. I'm not being stupid with it because I know these strip out of the block. I got about an 1/8 of a turn out of it. Yeah. I'll try the other one. That one down there. I'll try to point to it for you. That one there. I'll see if I can get a little bit tighter there. Alright, so I went from there to about there, so again another 1/8 of a turn. Yeah, this side over here looks fine. Hopefully that's fixed it. It was all new rubber O-rings in there. It shouldn't have made it worse, so we'll revisit that when the engine comes out for cams. So hopefully that's fixed it. Yeah, it's not coming out of the hose. Alright, let's get this breaker back on, get the alternator back on, get it all back together. And tomorrow we'll take it out for a drive. My little light on. Comes in handy actually. Bought this for camping. Yeah. So we're only really hitting 6 PSI. Last drive I did, a couple of days ago. So I went and had a look back at the tune from May the 4th. That's when I hit 16.9 PSI at like 3,200. Just had a look at the duty cycle and targets and stuff like that. So I've changed it back to that. We'll see how we go with still the same configuration with boost vacuum lines and solenoids and stuff like that. If that doesn't work out, we'll try it with just wastegate spring, no boost solenoids. And I was also thinking maybe running the vacuum from the bottom to the intake, so that'll open on overall 14 psi instead of that producing 14 psi, so we can have a lower minimum psi, so we don't destroy this engine straight away. Yeah, let's get this back together. Alright, it's all back together. Hopefully just tightening up that coolant crossover has gotten rid of that small leak. Yeah, still got a bit of work to do on the wiring, just cleaning it up. Yeah, let's work out this boost control. Alright guys, obviously I didn't get this episode out on time. Been a bit busy. Saturday morning, or nearly lunchtime now. I'm actually going to leave this episode here. Just going to make it a short one. Tonight I'm going to come back and we'll start this up, get it up to temp, and we'll go for a good drive. Tomorrow I might go to a highballer with Marley, so you'll probably see some video of that in the next few days. So hopefully this is all good. Tonight we'll be testing out the boost control situation, changing around some vacuum lines and whatnot to try to get it the best it can. Eventually we might end up going manifold pressure to the GT35's wastegate, so when that sees 14 psi or from the manifold, the gate will open. So as soon as we see 14 on the overall, yeah, we'll start limiting boost then. Instead of GT35 seeing 14 plus the 5 psi or whatever that's going to be making. So yeah, have to sort that out. But yeah, hopefully fix that coolant leak from down there. We'll find that out next episode. But still a lot to do. I would like to take it to work this coming week. Get some longer drives in, as we are probably building up some condensation. It's not too bad. Not bad at all. But yeah, fingers crossed we have fixed some things and we don't see any more issues other than boost control. Alright, enjoy this episode. Keep watching content up here and I'll catch you next episode when most of it will be driving. Hopefully we can get some better clips instead of just inside. So stay tuned for that. Bye.